Hi everyone, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. This is the card we're going to be featuring today. It's a very simple layout and I think it's just very gorgeous with this designer series paper. The stamp set that we're using today is going to be the Poised Peony, and we're going to be using the bigger flower and the sentiment that says best birthday wishes. We're going to be featuring a little bit of a technique that's called the generation stamping on this, and I'll show you a little bit about that. Some other things that we're going to be using: we got the Fern 3D embossing folder, which we're using on this strip here. We got the petal pink and the pretty peacock foiled gems for a little sparkle. We already showed you the stamp set. We're going to be using the Calypso Coral and Pretty Peacock for our inks. And then this is the designer series paper. We're using the one right here, and on the back side it looks like that. So we're going to get started. Move this off to the side. Oh, let me show you real quick what we did on the inside. Just a quick stamp of the flower on the inside. So I got my supplies here and got my stamps already mounted. And what I want to do is I'm going to start with our stamping, because that is always good to get that done and out of the way. And our ink does dry pretty quickly, but I like to make sure before I do any mounting and all that kind of fun stuff. So we're going to open up both our inks, and I'm going to come in and we're going to need a scrap piece of paper. Put that over there. And I'm basically going to concentrate mostly on the bigger part, the top portion of the flower, because we're going to fit it on our circle. Okay, got that all nice and inked up, and you can double check. I'm going to stamp once on my scrap piece of paper. I'm going to come over for my insert, and I'm going to stamp right on the edge like that. And then I'm going to take the third generation and I'm going to stamp it right in the middle of my circle. Okay, just like that. I'm going to come in with my chamois and wipe off my board. So I did my first generation stamping here, second generation stamping on my piece of paper, and then this is called third generation without having to re-ink your stamped image. Okay. So now that I have those two pieces, I'm going to come in with my Pretty Peacock, and I'm going to take my sentiment, and this is going to be just full strength first gen stamping. Now I went ahead and already had embossed my piece here, and so all we need to do is put our card together. It's really quick and easy. And I did forget to mention that this die right here is part of the Spotlight on Nature, and I used this middle one right here, and I love them. They're so versatile and so much fun. So now we're going to take our designer series paper, and we're just going to lay that directly on top of our card base. Use whatever your favorite adhesive is. We're going to use our Tombow glue on this one, and we're going to adhere it to the front. And for this one, what I did is I adhered using dimensionals. And then we're going to come in with a few of our gems using our Take Your Pick tool with the sticky putty end. And we're just going to use a few of these gems. And there we have it, you guys. Look how quick and simple that was. Imagine making a whole bunch of these. Now we're going to go ahead and adhere this inside piece. And there we have it. We have our finished card, guys. What do you think? Pretty quick and simple. As always, if you did like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. And then we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly inspiration, please make sure to join our newsletter. You can find the link below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.